Welcome to our presentation on Photon Hub Europe, the digital innovation hub for photonics. My name is Hugo Tiempont, I'm the coordinator of Photon Hub, and in the next few minutes I will introduce you to this new initiative to support European industry, and in particular small and medium-sized enterprises, first users and early adopters with photonics innovation. Photonics is the science and technology that innovates with the unique properties of light. It is recognized by the European Commission as a key enabling and a key digital technology for the 21st century. Photonics is a fast-growing industry sector driving crucial applications such as the ultra-fast optical fiber-based internet, durable solar energy and energy-efficient LED lighting, high-resolution displays, machine vision and robotic sensors, and lasers in advanced manufacturing. Photonics impacts 10% of Europe's economy, and the photonics world market annually grows with 7%. Photonics is not only an industry sector in its own right, it is also an innovation motor for many other industry segments such as the energy sector or the mobility, with applications such as head-up displays, LiDAR for self-driving cars, LED car headlights, and infrared night vision cameras. Also, the internet, the high-performance computing, and the entire digital infrastructure relies on photonics technologies. What is more, photonics plays a crucial role in biotechnology and health applications with, for example, photonic lab-on-chips, medical imaging and scanners, and endoscopes for minimally invasive surgery. In addition, advanced manufacturing nowadays relies on laser-based 3D printing, welding, and cutting, while manufacturing robots are equipped with optical sensors and cameras to enable safe human-robot interactions. Also, the agro-food sector makes intensive use of photonics, for example, to authenticate products such as olive oil and honey, and to detect and eliminate defects or toxic contaminants from the food stream. Finally, photonics plays a crucial role in the world of safety and security with surveillance cameras and optical cryptography, and in the space and defense sector with optical systems in observation satellites and in ranging and detection equipment. To innovate with photonics, companies need access to the best photonic experts and the most advanced photonic technology platforms. That is why we have created Photon Hub Europe, a single one-stop shop where European companies will find top-notch expertise and deep technology support to test their innovative ideas before they invest. At the same time, Photon Hub will provide opportunities for the training and reskilling of technical workforce and for coaching companies whenever needed with their photonics innovation business plans and with finding investments for starting up or growing their businesses. Photon Hub Europe is a pan-European initiative bringing together more than 500 photonics experts from 15 member states. Through its 18 local photonics hub partners, it is closely linked to those European regions that smartly invest in photonics innovation. As a one-stop shop, we at Photon Hub Europe support companies with 6 important services: photonics orienteering, training and reskilling, deep technology innovation support, business and investment coaching, as well as guidance to regional support. Let us now take a closer look at each of these support mechanisms. First and foremost, Photon Hub will listen to the photonic needs of the companies. As such, it will be able to orienteer and personally guide them with finding the best support and the best solution to their innovation needs in a timely manner. To receive this support, you can simply contact our one-stop shop front office gateway, or you can get in touch with us at industry exhibitions or brokerage events. For training and reskilling in photonics, we offer general introductions to photonics for SMEs, for first users and early adopters. We also provide an online catalog with all available photonics training offerings in Europe. Furthermore, we welcome companies at our demo centers to witness firsthand how photonics impacts the various application domains we talked about earlier on in this presentation. For those companies that want to receive unique hand-on training on optical design software and on cutting-edge manufacturing and testing equipment, we have created Photonics Experience Centers. Finally, we're offering train-the-trainer programs for hands-on training of professional and vocational trainers. One of the most important tasks of Photon Hub Europe is to provide photonics technology innovation support for companies to accelerate their product innovation process. This happens through innovation projects at the prototyping level, by providing access to pilot line facilities for product upscaling, and through brokerage for manufacturing in Europe. Important to know is that all these services will be financially heavily supported by the Photon Hub initiative. Additionally, we provide companies with first-level investment coaching for deploying photonics technologies, and we support them with intensive investment pitching coaching and matchmaking at our European Photonics Venture Forums and Investor Days. Finally, we're open to working with regions to set up new local photonics innovation hubs. And we're also eager to connect our Photon Hub network with European digital innovation hubs that focus on complementary key digital technologies or industry sectors. Photon Hub supports European companies with photonics innovation driven by the business need of these companies. In case the best photonics support can be found locally, then these innovation projects will have to be funded by local or regional support mechanisms. However, in case the best innovation support is to be found cross-border, the project can be financially supported by Photon Hub. Photon Hub can also support first-time users of photonics with cascading funding in case they want to access pilot line facilities for product upscaling. With its program, Photon Hub Europe is targeting a considerable economic impact by first raising awareness of the potential of photonics innovation with more than 100,000 European companies, 5,000 of whom will consecutively visit its demo and experience centers. What is more, Photon Hub expects, as a direct result of its innovation support, to create 740 million euros of new company revenues and 92 million of new venture capital raised by EU startups. 90% of the companies that will receive expert support are expected to be SMEs. Photon Hub anticipates to support the creation of 170 new photonics-enhanced products linked to its innovation support, resulting in 100 million euros of new businesses for EU photonics manufacturers, 36 million euros of new growth capital, and more than 1,000 new high-tech jobs. Furthermore, Photon Hub expects the creation of 5 new local photonic innovation hubs across the European regions. Finally, Photon Hub Europe targets the establishment of the Photon Hub Europe Association by 2024 to continue the photonics innovation support offerings in a durable and self-sustainable way. This brings me to the end of this presentation. If you want to contact us, we invite you to visit our website photonhub.eu. There, you will find all contact information, email addresses, and telephone numbers. We are looking forward to talking to you, whether you're a company looking for photonics innovation support, whether you're a region looking to establish a local photonics innovation hub, or whether you are a European digital innovation hub looking for a close collaboration.